So here we are with JaminkFarm.ca. It's a new WordPress install. We've recently installed a premium theme, Hereford, and we're going to start off by just cleaning up the rest of the themes because it takes up space in our server. I'm going to delete those. And the reason I'm showing you how to do this is in the event that you're watching this tutorial and you want to install your own WordPress site and kind of get things started, we're going to walk through it step by step to show you either how easy it is or how frustrating it can be. So we're cleaning up these extra themes that come by default. Great. So now the first thing we're going to do when we're customizing a theme is either import the demo data or install a child theme. So I think that we're going to start by installing the demo data. And with this one, I've gone with the documentation. So documentation usually comes with a theme to say this is how you use it, this is the things you're going to encounter. And in the documentation, it tells me how to install the demo data. So I'm going to come back over to here, got my theme, and it's told me to go down to the theme options, go import. We only have the option to install demo. I wonder though, whenever I downloaded this theme, there was some child themes. So this is the theme data. And there was Hereford child. So a child is the theme, but it's being duplicated, and you can customize it without it breaking whenever you install updates and stuff. It's really important. So actually I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to go to our appearance, and I'm going to go themes, and I'm going to install that child theme first, because it's possible that children themes reflect different options. So I'm going to go upload theme, choose file, and I'm going to go to my downloads. Here it is, and I see Hereford child.zip. Whenever you're uploading a theme, you always want to go .zip because it unpacks it. So we're going to go install now. This might take a while. Never mind. So let's go ahead and say activate. So because we've just installed a child theme, it means that when the main theme updates, it means that the developers decided there's something that needs to be improved, so they push some code through. Whenever they update, if you had customized that theme by itself, the updates would generally override your customization, which is very frustrating, and you only learn after doing this for a few years, or one time really badly. So with a child theme, it will update the theme components, but your child theme says, okay, whoa, update to this point, and then past this is my customization, don't override it. So right here, I have the child installed, so I'm just going to go over to our website and see what looks different. Nothing looks different. Okay. So now I'm going to go to install the demo. Let's see. Oh, I thought there might be a new one. All right, so we're going to install the demo data. Import type, I'm going to select all. And that's because in the documentation here, it told me, what options do you want to install? Generally, I would go with like custom options because I wouldn't want all that data slowing down my site. But this is a quick install for a client of mine, so we're going to import all the pages, content, etc. So they've got a starting place for when they customize their site. So we're going to come back over to here, and I do want to import attachments. Again, they explain that attachments are basically the media, the pictures and everything. So I'm going to say yes. And I'm going to start importing, and it's going to take quite a while. So I will end the video here and start again once that's all done.